Hello again, and welcome to our look at the upcoming Tuesday session. As you can see, I have the economic calendar in front of you. Got a couple things we're going to be watching economic announcement-wise. The first one being German trade balance. That, of course, will move the DAX and the euro. And then after that, manufacturing production coming out of the UK. That, of course, will move the British pound and the FTSE. Beyond that, really not a lot going on that should move the markets at all. So we expect a fairly light news flow day, but that's not to say that there won't be trades to be had. So let's take a look at a couple charts. During the Monday session, you can see that the euro has fallen a bit, but formed a hammer. That's a pretty bullish sign. Really, at this point in time, though, there's no way that we would be buying calls. This just tells us that the market should then give us an opportunity to buy puts at higher levels. So we're hoping to get a little bit of a bounce and buy a put to continue the overall downtrend that we have seen. Looking at the DAX, you can see we have fallen a little bit during the session on Monday, but that's really not a surprise after that very bullish move. We think that this is a little bit of a pullback to collect some support, so we're looking for a supportive candle on shorter term charts to start buying calls. This is a market that we certainly don't want to go against, so calls only. We do think that we grind much higher given enough time, probably 1200 or so over the next couple of months. Looking at the FTSE, you can see that we have in fact fallen during the session on Monday, but we just continue to consolidate. We're looking for the right supportive candle in this general vicinity, but we don't have it quite yet, and as a result, the market looks as if it might give us a buying opportunity, buying calls, that is down here closer to the 66.50 level, but we don't have it. We will keep our eyes on shorter term charts though to see if in fact that does re-enter the equation. And the British pound has bounced a bit against the US dollar. Truthfully though, this is much like the euro in the sense that we are just buying puts every time it rallies. We think that is going to be the trade here in a minute, and we're waiting to see the proper resistive candle to start buying those puts again. Buying calls isn't even a thought at this point in time. And with that, we have taken a look at the December 9th trading session.